Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Coffee. Let's talk about what is product availability and how can you use it.
Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales.
Product availability defines a status of the product in stock and on which platform this particular product is available to sell. You can manage availability on all platforms that you sell on through your Shopify admin area. If the stock status is positive, which is more than 0, it will be marked as available to sell on those selected platforms. If the product is selected as a 0 or minus number, if you decide not to sell products that are not in stock, those products will be marked as unavailable on those platforms. You can, however, choose to sell products even if they are not in stock, so you have to select this option in Shopify if you would like to do that. This is often chosen if you are dropshipping and still want to sell products even if you don't physically have them in your warehouse. Additionally, if you're not tracking inventory in Shopify, all of the products will be marked as available at all times. Remember also that if you're running Google ads, Google won't promote products that are not in stock, so the ads won't be running on those products.
If you loved this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new video. Now watch these videos next, recommended for you here, to learn more about SEO and running successful online business. Bye bye!